Hello guys, have you ever wished you could carry an entire IT department in your pocket? Sounds crazy, right? Well, not anymore. Today, I'm going to show a very interesting tool for IT professionals, tech enthusiasts, and anyone looking to troubleshoot or recover from serious computer issues. I'm going to show you, step by step, how to create and use a Medicat USB. If you're not familiar, Medicat USB is like a Swiss Army knife for computers. It's a powerful toolkit that lets you handle virus removal, system repair, data recovery, disk partitioning, and so much more. Imagine having all these tools on a portable USB, ready to help you tackle tech issues anytime, anywhere. Alright, let's get started. First, before you download the file, first thing you have to do is disable your antivirus, go to Windows Security, then Virus and Threat Protection, then Manage Setting, and turn off Real-Time Protection option. Now, open your browser and search for Medicat USB. Click on the first link, which should take you to the official Medicat website. Now, click on the download button. You'll see options for different installers. Choose the one for Windows if you're following along with me. Linux users, you've got an option too, so let's download for Windows installer. Go to the folder, run Medicat installer with administrator, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Once it opens, press any key to start the process. The installer will download the initial files. Be patient, it won't take long. Press any key to continue. Before we proceed, plug in your USB drive. Make sure you have at least 32 GB of storage in your USB. 64 GB is ideal, but we will use 32 GB for the medical USB. Now go to the installer window and select Install Medicat option. When Browse window appear, select your USB drive from the list. Double check the drive letter to ensure you're formatting the correct one. Then, you'll be asked whether to use GPT or MBR. Select Yes option. Then it will ask, do you want to use Secure Boot option? Select Yes for this one too. It will start installing Ventoy application in your USB drive. Once done, you will see your USB is formatted and converted to Ventoy. Now press Enter or type your USB drive letter to continue the installation process. Next it says you could not find the Medicat files in your USB. Would you like to download? Select Yes to download the files. Next it say, how would you like to grab the files? There are two options, torrent or CDN. You can select torrent to faster download or CDN for direct download. Select torrent to download the files. Now you will see it will start download all the necessary files, so be patient. It will take 1 or 2 hours depending on your internet speed because file size is around the 21 GB, so it will take time. After downloading and installing all the files in USB drive, it will create a bootable Medicat USB for you. You can see this is how it will look like after creating Medicat USB. You can see just 2 GB of space is left. That's the reason I told you earlier, you should have minimum 32 GB of space in your USB drive. In USB drive, you can see tons of tools like antivirus, backup, boot repair, and lots of other tools we can use with this Medicat USB. Now restart your computer or laptop and boot with USB drive. After booting, the Medicat menu will appear. You will see lots of tools, antivirus scans, backup and recovery, boot repair, diagnostic tool, live operating system, partition tool, password removal, and Windows recovery. So let me run some tools and show you how to use. Let's run live operating system, then select Mini Windows 10 and press Enter. So it will run Windows 10 live from USB drive and it will take 2 to 3 minutes to load, so you have to wait. After it's boot up, you will soon see the administrator login screen, and it will load all the application so you run troubleshooting like Windows recovery or login password reset. Here you will see lots of tools, BIOS and UEFI tools. In disk tools, you can use CCleaner, Crystal Disk Info, Crystal Disk Mark, Defraggler. These are all popular storage drive utility tools you can use. Scroll down and you can see lots of other very useful tools you can use to troubleshoot your operating system and other component of your system. Let's run and use antivirus tool. Select Malwarebyte. Select Malwarebyte bootable so we can boot live. Malwarebyte is very popular in virus removal. If there is some kind of virus in your computer or in your USB, connect to your USB drive and run scan, and it will automatically remove virus from your system hard drive or USB drive. So this is very good option you can use. Using this Medicat tool, let's try other tool. Select password removal, then select Gyro lockpick and press enter. Let's say if you forget your Windows password and want to reset it, you can do this using this tool. There are lots of options. Windows login unlocker, bypass Windows password. We will reset password, so just click on Windows login unlocker. You will see all Windows user accounts, select the user and right click. There you will find other options: enable, disable the user, reset password, delete user. So just click on reset password option to reset your Windows login password. In pop-up window, it will ask, do you want to reset? Click OK. It will reset your password and remove it for this user. And that's it. You've successfully created and explored a Medicat USB. Whether you're dealing with viruses, lost data, or system crashes, this toolkit has got you covered. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Byte Geek for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.